People are hungry for clean, ready-to-use food in Nigeria. There is a huge gap. That gap is opportunity. Hello. Today, I want to share 5 profitable agricultural businesses in Nigeria that you can start small. When I say profitable, I don't mean quick money. I mean businesses that can grow, businesses that can feed you and your family, businesses that Nigeria actually needs right now. The truth is, agriculture in Nigeria is full of opportunities, but many of us think you need millions to start. That's not true. The real wealth comes when you start small, grow step by step, and stay consistent. So let me share 5 businesses that I know can change lives in today's economy and also for the very, very long term. First of them is palm oil. Palm oil is red gold in Nigeria. It is used in homes, industries, cosmetics, and even export. Demand is all year round. You can start small, buy during harvest when it is cheap, store properly, then sell when the price rises. Even with just a few kegs or jerry cans of palm oil, you can start. Many of my followers begin buying around late January to April of every year when the prices are lowest. And if you grow bigger, you can even invest in a small processing palm oil mill. Palm oil will never go out of demand in this country. The number 2 on my list of profitable businesses you can start in Nigeria is poultry farming. Eggs are eaten daily. Broilers sell very well during festive season and events. You don't need thousands of birds to start. Even 100 layers can give you daily egg sales. And of course, with proper vaccination and management, poultry is a steady income. Now, on my own personal side, growing up, my mother kept poultry. That poultry assured that there was always cash for daily home expenses. Even though my parents were civil servants waiting for salaries that were never enough. Number 3 is food processing. This one is the future. Nigerians want convenience. On my recent trip to China, I saw all kinds of processing machines in China. Packaging, dryers, grinders, oil presses. When I compared it with Nigeria, I realized that there is a huge gap. That gap is opportunity. Imagine processing garri, neatly packaging plantain chips, grinding maize into flour, producing animal feed, or drying fruits and vegetables for resale. People are hungry for clean, ready-to-use food in Nigeria. Now, even with just one small machine, you can begin building a serious business. Processing is where the wealth is currently in Nigeria. Coming to our number 4 of businesses you can start small is animal feed production. Every farmer complains about feed. Poultry farmers, fish farmers, goat farmers. Feed is one of the highest costs in farming, and yet demand never stops. If you learn to mix feed, you can start small, supply to local farmers, and as demand grows, expand into a proper feed mill. This business is underrated, but the money is steady because your customers keep coming back. Now, coming to our last business you can start small is fish farming. Fish is one of the most consumed proteins in Nigeria. Everywhere you go, restaurants, bars, homes, people are eating catfish and tilapia and all types of fish. With even a small pond, you can start. A friend of mine began with just a few hundred fingerlings of fish in his backyard pond. Today, he supplies local markets and hotels. The key is water management, good feed, and patience. Get those things right, and fish farming becomes a consistent, profitable business you can grow year after year. Now, all these businesses are profitable, but let's be real. Nigeria is not easy. You are definitely going to face challenges, cheating, poor infrastructure, even betrayal. But those who endure, those who set systems, they will surely succeed. Look around you. Nigerians are eating every single day. Farmers are multiplying. Industries need raw materials. The opportunity is there. The only question is, are you ready to start? So now, which of this business are you very much interested in? Drop it in the comment section. And if you are serious about agriculture, join our WhatsApp community. It is strictly for agriculture business-minded people. The link is in the description below. And for beginners wondering where to start, how to start, you can get a copy of my ebook on starting a scalable agriculture commodities business. It will guide you step by step and save you from the mistakes many of us made in the beginning. Now, if you've got value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Bashfront Talks. Let's keep building together. See you in the next video. Goodbye.